it's your girl Tootie, and I'm back at another video.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. And
Welcome back, and if you are new here, hey my love, make sure you subscribe to see more of me. So y'all already know the maintenance vlogs happens every month. Okay, that's what we're doing for the next few days, is getting some maintenance done. We did fall, now it's time to do winter. Okay, yeah, it's about that time to get our winter maintenance done. It is December 6th and it's Wednesday. I have appointments on the 7th, 8th, and 9th, so back to back literally. So right now I'm at USA Beauty, the usual. I always go here, and I'm here to get my braiding hair because your girl finna get some braids. So yeah, my appointment is at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow, so I need to go in here and get this hair. Y'all already know, y'all coming along with me all 3 days, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh my god, I can't with the natural hair. I look like a 12-year-old. Yeah, y'all, let's go. So she told me to get 3 to 4 bags. I'm just gonna get 4. I don't got time to not have enough hair, so 4 bags of hair. So I'm looking for the bohemian hair, and I don't see the pattern I want. I want breezy wave, but I just know they don't have it, and I don't see it. Oh wait, found it. Okay, y'all, here we go. And she can just add the hair in. I found it, and it's in 1B, so that's good, because I got this in 1B. I just spent $30 that quick on braiding hair. Being a girl is so expensive. There's no way I just spent $30 in 2 minutes. But you know, as long as I'm cute, I don't care. So your girl is hungry. I need to go eat, but I don't know, I think I'm finna go home. So I know as far as maintenance, that's all I'm doing today. Tomorrow is the hair appointment, so I'm gonna catch y'all at my hair appointment. Hey y'all, good morning. Today is Thursday, y'all. Yes, today is Thursday. Before y'all say anything, I know I look crazy, but it's the purpose of today. We about to get this hair done, okay? Because yeah, we just can't be doing this. Like, this is a winter maintenance vlog, and we just need to get it together for the winter time. So it's about 9:47, and I know I'm gonna be a couple of minutes late. I told y'all that my appointment was at 9 o'clock, which it was. We pushed it back to 10, and I stay more than 15 minutes away from her, so I'm gonna be a little bit late, but it's okay. I was gonna stop and get some breakfast, y'all, but I'm just gonna have to be hungry because I should have washed my hair last night instead of this morning, so that's on me. But yep, we are on our way. I am tired, but yeah, y'all, we're on our way, and yeah, let's get to it. I'm excited to get my hair done. No more looking raggedy. Okay, y'all, so I'm here. I'm only 11 minutes late. She told me to wait for a little bit before I come in, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm hungry. I'm hungry as y'all, and it's like, I know I'm not about to be able to get enough food until we done, and y'all know braids take forever. Gosh. But yeah, I'm excited to see what my hair gonna look like. Let me show y'all what I'm going for. I'm going for like this. That's so freaking cute.
I'm so that like you, that bitch I do it. Oh, I won't cry, we get it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinny, do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Talking lost news, and that's the moment. not here. Ain't no home when you're not here. I'll be home when you're not here. I'm saying, I'm with you when I'm with you.
Okay, y'all, so your girl hair is done. It's so cute. Don't play with it, like get into the parts for real. So yeah, my hair is done. So baby, we got the first day out the way. We got hair out the way. And I'm in love, like who you know looks so good. So freaking cute, y'all. So freaking cute. Shay ate and left no crumbs. So yeah, I'm real happy about my hair because I'm getting back in business. So yeah, that was all the maintenance for today. Tomorrow we will be getting on with our nails. So see you guys tomorrow. What's up, y'all? It's Friday the 8th, y'all. It's time for me to head to my nail appointment. It's 10:06 and I'm supposed to be there at 10:30. And I'm 15 minutes away. I like to be a little early, and I know I have to come on here and speak to y'all. So yeah, when I tell y'all these braids got my neck so much stiff. Y'all know how when y'all first get braids and you be like moving like you can't bend, rotate your neck, nothing. My shit on fire. But it's okay. It's okay, because if it ain't tight, what they say, it ain't right, okay? So but yeah, I love these braids, y'all. My freaking scalp is scapping. I also go on vacation. I keep telling y'all this, but I'm just excited. I will go on vacation on the 11th, and I just wanted to get my hair done a few days earlier so it could be at least not as tight as the first day or the second day, because the first and second day it just be too much for me, and I'm going through it. Enough of the rambling. We finna go ahead and head to our nail appointment, period.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking for.
Okay, y'all, so I am back from my nail appointment. Look at my nails, y'all. They are so freaking cute. Like, what? I am so much ready. Like, I love maintenance vlogs. Like, I look good, I feel good. Look good, feel good, and what about it? The sun is shining. It's gonna be a good day. Sun is shining a little too hard though. That's so freaking cute, and like it's so girly. Like the gold with the flowers with the white French, just y'all know my girl D gonna do it right every time, and that's the only person I go to, period. But yeah, y'all, so I hate to say it, but we don't have any more maintenance until tomorrow, y'all. Tomorrow I am getting my lashes done. My appointment is at 12:30, so I can stop wearing these strips and look good, okay? So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, today is Saturday, y'all. It's the 9th, and I have to go get my lashes done. It's always my mama calling me. Hello? But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to be on the way to my I say hair appointment. I'm about to be on the way to my lash appointment because baby, my lashes look so bald right now. I'm supposed to be there at 12:30. It's 11:51. I need to be leaving now because even though she's only 30 minutes away, I still don't want to run into no traffic or nothing like that. So yeah, y'all, let's go. Let's get these lashes done. Oh, and if you don't talk about my edges because I just tried to slick them real quick, and like I said, nothing holds them, so they're just gonna keep curling up. So yep, we are on our way. Let's go.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. 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 What a lie.
Okay, y'all, so these are my lashes. Before y'all say anything, the reason why I got my lashes this dramatic is because it's, for one, lashes cost way too much to be getting them light volume sets and they be falling off, so I need them to last, okay? And for two, I'm going on vacation, so we finna be in and out of water. These lashes finna be dropping left and right, okay? And for three, this is how I like my lashes. I like my lashes really dramatic, and I like them dramatic at first. Basically y'all, I like them dramatic at first, and in a day or two it'll look more natural. So I'm satisfied. This is so freaking cute, baby. It got my big blinks. Do you hear me? Right now your girl needs to go get some gas because baby, the tank is on E. And I'm not trying to be on nobody's side of the road, calling nobody's roadside assistance, so I'm finna find the nearest gas station. I got my lashes done. I got my lashes done. Now I'm a bad bitch. These lashes better last me till Christmas, after Christmas, all of that. Yeah, I got my lashes done. I'm a bad bitch now. I'm a bad bitch now. Let's go get some gas before I be a bad bitch on side the road, and I can't be a bad bitch on the road because then everybody gonna be trying to get me, and yeah, so I'm just delusional. Like, girl, you was like, what is you talking about? Like, girl, you just delusional. Delusion. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Oh, it's a fat bump. God, I'm literally in traffic on E. It is traffic time too. It's 3 o'clock. Why did I not think? I can't have my AC on. It's hot. I can't have my AC on. I'm on E and I gotta pump gas. I hate pumping gas. Like, this is why I don't go nowhere. This is exactly why I don't go nowhere. And I'm hungry. That girl up in there doing my lashes and my stomach rumbling and tumbling. I hope she didn't think I was farting, cause baby, it was just the stomach. She's hungry. For a dummy though. Slow your down. When you hit my car, then we gonna have a problem. Y'all, these people cannot drive. Where do y'all gotta be? Y'all already went to work. Y'all trying to get home? We all trying to get home. Take this exit and get some gas, probably. I found the gas station, y'all. I just did a turn from the 3rd lane trying to get to this gas station. I hope ain't nobody see it either. Bro, I hate when I do that. My car is way over here. The gas pump right here. In this freaking rearview mirror, it don't look like that. Like,
talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the Cooper 17 on pilots. You be staying low, but you know what the price is.
okay, y'all. So, yeah. Let me get back in my vehicle because it's